Hi, Mark. It's great to get a chance to talk to me today, too. Sure, here's a quick overview. I graduated from the University of Illinois Engineering School in 1989 with a bachelor's degree in computer science. I was a computer programmer for 12 years, and then I decided to pursue some other interests. So, I obtained a Master's of Science in Teaching Mathematics and taught high school math for 3 years. I thought that teaching was my calling and the way that I was going to make the world a better place, but I found out that I wasn't having the impact that I wanted to have. I did a few different things, but eventually I decided to return to computer programming. Well, I'm getting a bit ahead of myself there. No, I didn't have an interest in doing those same types of things. Instead, I taught myself to build websites using the Drupal content management framework. I would say that I spent about 12 hours a day for 7 days a week for about 6 months. Yeah, it did. I launched my web development business in July of 2010, and since that time, I've built up a really successful and lucrative business. There are a number of reasons. There's a shortage of skilled Drupal service providers, and the shortage is projected to not only continue, but to increase. By building this product, I can combine my passion for teaching, my love of programming, and my extensive knowledge of Drupal to help others come up to speed in a far more efficient manner than I did. Through providing others the opportunity to become highly skilled and highly sought after Drupal service providers, I'm helping them to self-actualize themselves and manifest their full potential. Thus, I'm contributing to making the world a better place by helping people to help themselves. Exactly. I was inspired by the model of Khan Academy, but I'm taking it up a notch higher. The product is not just open, it's ridiculously open. In short, it means that the product gives people the opportunity to learn so much more than just how to do Drupal. It allows them to learn about the learning process in building the product. But I'm probably going to get off on too much of a tangent if I go much further with my explanation. The Teach Yourself Drupal website has more information about some of the specific things that it will do to be ridiculously open. And I've created another website for people to learn more about the ridiculously open philosophy itself. No, it's a completely separate thing. Any work I do on it will be done on my own time and won't be part of the accounting that I do for this project. For the Kickstarter campaign, I'll produce the 3 learning projects, their corresponding screencasts, and a basic membership site. The methodology that I use to teach the concepts is what I call project-based learning. So instead of just doing screencasts on a bunch of unconnected tasks, I design projects that give a reason to learn a set of related skills. Once this initial prototype is completed, I'll market the site to a set of sponsors who will benefit from the increased supply of skilled Drupal service providers, and they'll be the ones who will fund the ongoing development of the product. Regardless of the outcome of this Kickstarter campaign, this is just the beginning of the journey. I'll continue building support and recruiting collaborators regardless. No, I'm actively pursuing relationships with other people who can become contributors to the product as well. There are a lot of opportunities. For instance, people can get involved right now with the shaping of both the Kickstarter campaign and the product itself. Anybody who wants an easy way to provide feedback or suggestions, I would encourage to use the Contact Me link on the right side of the page. Anybody who is a backer can use the comments feature that's part of the Kickstarter project. For those people who are willing to be just a little bit more technical, they should have a look at the Invitation to Collaborate section of the page to see how they can get involved with the GitHub repositories, the wikis, and the issue queues. Absolutely. It's true. I'm both a vegan and a triathlete. I'll be participating in my first Ironman distance race in Boulder on August 2nd, 2015. In order to successfully market this product, I first need to build it and acquire a large user base. So please, become a backer at any amount and help spread the word to other potential backers. I'm so grateful that you've taken the time to watch this video and to consider becoming a backer of the campaign. I look forward to a ridiculously open partnership with all of my supporters who are interested in helping me to make my vision a reality. And I do look forward to all feedback and suggestions that you may have to help me do a better job with all aspects of this project. Thanks a lot again for watching the video.